Skoda is expanding its RS performance family with an all-electric punch. At a digital world premiere, the Czech automaker unveiled the Elroq RS, the first compact electric SUV to wear the brand's RS badge. Following the digital reveal, the car made its public debut at Milan Design Week 2025 from April 8 through 13, showcasing what Skoda calls the future of its performance lineup. Even though the world premiere just happened in the spring, production is expected to begin in late 2025, with first customer deliveries targeting early 2026. This marks a significant moment for Skoda's RS family, which has been dominated by internal combustion models for decades. The Elroq RS now brings that performance heritage into the electric era, sitting below the larger Enyaq RS in the lineup. The Elroq RS is powered by a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that delivers 250 kilowatts or 340 horsepower with 545 Newton-meters of torque. Electric motors on both the front and rear axles work together to launch the compact SUV from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 5.4 seconds, making it the fastest accelerating production vehicle Skoda has ever built. Top speed is electronically limited to 180 kilometers per hour. The powertrain draws energy from an 84 kilowatt-hour gross battery pack with 79 kilowatt-hours of usable capacity, providing a WLTP range of more than 550 kilometers. Thanks to DC fast charging capability of up to 185 kilowatts, the battery can recharge from 10 to 80% in approximately 26 minutes at compatible charging stations. AC charging at 11 kilowatts takes the battery from 0 to 100% in 8 hours. Visually, the Elroq RS introduces Skoda's new modern solid design language to the RS portfolio. The front is dominated by a high-gloss black tech deck face panel, where a traditional grille would be, flanked by slim LED matrix beam headlights with the brand's signature 4-eye look. A light band composed of vertical eyelashes runs across the front, creating a distinctive lighting signature. The characteristic RS visual features are immediately apparent, with gloss black accents covering the side window trims, roof rails, exterior mirror caps, and the Skoda lettering on both the bonnet and tailgate. The Elroq RS also features aggressive front and rear bumpers, with a reflective strip stretching across the entire rear width. Exclusive aerodynamic alloy wheels are available in sizes up to 21 inches, and customers can choose from several colors, including the RS-exclusive Mamba Green finish. Underneath, the Elroq RS rides on a sports chassis lowered by 15 mm at the front and 10 mm at the rear compared to standard Elroq models. Adaptive DCC suspension is available, offering 15 selectable damping settings for a balance between sporty handling and everyday comfort. Red RS brake calipers sit behind the exclusive Aero wheels. This car represents a major commitment from Skoda to electrified performance. The Elroq RS is built on the Volkswagen Group's MEB platform, the same architecture underpinning the VW ID.4 and Audi Q4 e-tron, and it will compete directly with models like the Cupra Tavascan, VW ID.5 GTX, and Kia EV6 GT. If you want to stay updated on the latest automotive news like the 2026 Skoda Elroq RS, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our coverage. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.